Next one, we've got to build our own probability table. We're given the x numbers. The x numbers are -1, 0, 1, and 2. And the probability is given from the formula. So k times that number squared. So that's just k. K times 0 squared is 0. K times 1 squared. And k times 2 squared. So that's 4k there. And really, if you add these things up, we get 6k, and we know the sum of the probabilities is always 1, and so k must be equal to 1/6. That's the first bit done. Well, let's actually write down what these probabilities are. So we've got 1/6, 1/6, and 2/3. I'm actually going to get rid of that one there because it's just a distraction. And to find out the expected value of x, we're going to times x times its probability. So we've got -1/6 there, we've got 1/6 there, we've got 4/3 there. So the expected value of x is those things added up, which is 4/3. Let's do the x squared one as well. So -1 squared times a sixth. We've got another 1/6 there. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2/3 is 8/3. So the expected value of x squared is 8/3. Add another one, 9/3. 9/3 is 3, isn't it? And tap it in the calculator if you need to. The formula for the variance is this one here. Take away the expected value of x, all squared, and so what's that going to work out to be? I think that's 11/9, isn't it? 11/9 that works out to be. So that's standard stuff, but now we've got a couple of other bits to do. We're asked to find out what the expected value of 5x take away 2 is. Now, one way would be to build a whole new table with new x values, so -1 times by 5 take away 2, -7, or 1 times 5 take away 2, and 10 take away 2. And we could work out the probabilities here, same things as the probabilities before. And you can go through the whole thing again, but you don't need to because there's a formula for this. Really, if you want to find the expected value of 5x take away 2, it's 5 times the expected value of x take away 2. So we've got 5 lots of 4/3 take away 2, 20/3 take away 2, that's 14/3, isn't it? That one there. Can't do the same with the variance, remember. I mean, we haven't got this in the question here, but if you were trying to do the variance, the -2 would have no effect. And you wouldn't be timesing by 5, you'd be timesing by 5 squared. So the other one we've got to do is the expected value of 4 take away 3x. So this is 4 take away 3 lots of the expected value of x. The expected value of x was 4/3. So that just works out to be 0.